Everyone, it is me back, and today's the next day. Right now it is 7:32, and right now we went somewhere. This is gonna be a big surprise. So we went somewhere, and then we went to pick something up. Her name's Pinky, and I've heard that you've been thinking about that we're gonna get a puppy. And of course, maybe I think I've told you guys. I don't know. I'm gonna have to check the videos. Just let me know in the comments. And also today, I was gonna show you our new pet that we just got. Yeah. Since we went on the drive, we picked her up, and it took us a while to get her. It took like 20 minutes, and when we were on our way, I was holding her. Do you know who that is? Well, let's go see. Say hello to our new pet. No, this is gonna be a shock, but we got a new puppy! Yay! She's so cute! She's right now sleeping. See? She's sleeping. Probably she'll wake up in a few minutes here, but she's napping, and we just got her today, and I was cracking my dad's back for him, and I'm not even going to talk about that, oh lord. And she peed on the floor once, but she's going to need a while until we potty train her. Look, she's moving. I think she's dreaming. Most dogs like to dream, like they always do. She's doing okay. She's a tiny bit shaken. Kind of breathing a little fast. I don't know what that means. But she's doing okay. She's resting. Just look at her for a minute. If you say "aw" in this, thank you, because she is cute. Pinky. Pinky, wake up. She's dreaming. Oh. Pinky, hey. Oh my god. It's face little. Can't pick it up. Oh, she's up. Pinky, wake up. Hey. Hi. She's awake. You can go back to sleep now. She really wants to rest here. She's been sleeping for a few minutes here. Okay, let's leave her alone now. I'm gonna go grab a donut. Well, see you in the next video, and tomorrow it's gonna be a big plane.